everyone. Today we will be talking about how an NRI can prepare gift deeds. The entire process of transferring property title in India is quite cumbersome because most of the time it becomes a court dispute. For example, a property transfer without a will can automatically make the title of a property questionable. Now, in India, Transfer of Property Act of 1882 governs all the related matters. Transfer of property through gift also entitles transferring of ownership to another person. This can be achieved by executing a gift deed. The gift deed is an instrument by which the immovable or movable property owner can transfer the said property to another without any consideration. The gift deed and the process of gift giving is legally inevitable. This is mainly because of the fact that the basic feature of a gift is to not seek any monetary compensation in return and is done without any consideration. So, if an NRI transfers any property movable or immovable under a gift deed, then they cannot transfer back the ownership of that property. There are two parties in a gift deed, the donor and a donee. The donor is the individual who gives his property, and the donee is the person to whom the assets are gifted. The donor ought to have a sound mind and must be capable of entering into agreements at the time of making of the gift, which means that a minor is incompetent of gifting property as she is incapable of entering into contracts. Both immovable and movable properties can be shown as gifts by the donor to the donee. Immovable property signifies land or any benefits arising out of land or anything attached to earth, but does not contain growing crops, standing timber, or grass. The properties that are not measured immovable properties are considered as movable properties. For registration, the gift deed covering all the clauses must be enlisted on the stamped paper. The donor and donee should sign on all sheets of the gift deed and must be attested by a minimum 2 witnesses. The donee must take the gift in the lifetime of the donor and when the donor is of sound mind for it to be lawful. It is also important to note that when a person obtains an immovable property without consideration as a gift and the stamp duty value of the gift deed surpasses rupees 50,000, then the stamp duty value of the property is taxable from the donee. If a gift deed is made by an NRI to an Indian resident falling into 7 important scenarios, then the NRI donee will be excused from tax even though it surpasses 50,000 limit. These 7 exceptions are: if an NRI is a relative or the gift is for marriage purposes, the gift is part of a will or inheritance, the gift is collected in contemplation of death of the donor, the gift is taken from a local authority, the gift is collected from any fund or institution, or if the gift is obtained by an individual from a trust or corroborated or created solely to benefit the individual's relative. Thank you.